I'm Miss Nobles.
And I'm Miss Wiggins, and you can find us at the end of the 400 hallway.
We want to give you a little information about ourselves before we get started this year. I've been teaching for the past 15 years. I've taught elementary for the first 12 years, and I've been here at the high school for the past 3. In addition to ECE I, I also teach ECE III. I enjoy every day in the classroom and count it as a blessing. I'm also one of the FCCLA advisors. FCCLA is a great community, family-based organization, which you'll be hearing more about this semester. If I'm not at school, I'm chasing around one of our 4 children. We have 3 girls, ages 9, 9, and 6, and a baby boy who's 14 months.
And now a little about me. I have been teaching for 11 years. My first 5 years, I was at the elementary level. This is my 6th year at the high school, with my first 3 years being in the science department, and this is my 3rd year in the ECE department. Along with ECE I, I also teach ECE II. I am also an FCCLA officer, and as Ms. Noble said, it is a community family-based organization, and we would love for you to join us. In the classroom, my goal is to help you be successful. When I am not in the classroom, I enjoy spending time with my husband, our 16-year-old son, and of course, relaxing.
Now that you know a little bit about us, here's what you really want to know. What supplies do I need for this class? That's always the most popular question during open house. If you will be coming to campus, you'll need the basics: a notebook with dividers, paper, pens, and pencils.
And if you are a virtual student, of course you'll need internet access and an electronic device. I would recommend a device that has a keyboard, as it would just be easier for you to type on. You will also need to have a notebook so that you can write down notes or questions, whatever you may ask, and as well as keeping everything together. Also, make sure that you pay close attention to your emails, as that is the way that we will communicate with you. Also, we will be checking your progress along the way, so don't worry, we are here to help you.
Virtual class will be taught using Google Classroom, Edgenuity, and ICEV. You will be receiving more information and help with logging in and using these platforms before we get started on August the 17th. But don't worry, we're going to figure this out together. More information can be found by using the Google code provided, whether you are virtual or face-to-face. In the face-to-face classroom or the virtual one, ECE I will be studying the following: careers in the early childhood education field, and also early childhood care from prenatal to age 12.
To ensure that you have mastered these standards, we will be grading you on worksheets, quizzes, tests. Ms. Garcia also has our pre-K lab here at the high school. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, we will not be able to go into her classroom physically. However, we do plan on streaming live or recorded so that we can discuss them in the classroom. Also, be prepared to do your own recording so we can share it with our pre-K students.
To set yourself up for success in this class, you will want to stay on top of your assignments and not procrastinate. We do expect you to turn your assignments in when they are due. We're here to help you, but if you fall behind, it's going to be more difficult to be as successful as you could be if you worked on things day to day. We will be helping you track your progress.
This year is going to be different, very different, but we are all in it together. Remember, we are here to help you. Please do not hesitate to reach out to us if you have questions or problems.
Welcome to Long County High School. We can't wait to meet you.